I'm going to show you how to do a hard and soft factory reset on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First thing we want to do, we want to power the phone down. So we're just going to use the power button and the down volume toggle. So I'm going to hold that, power down, and of course it vibrates and it's shut off. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to do a hard factory reset. First thing you're going to do, you can do it with me, is you're going to press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So you're going to hold that until the Samsung logo appears. So go ahead and do that. Volume up and the power button. I'm holding them both. And then there's the Samsung logo. I'm going to let go and it's going to take me to a startup menu. Okay. So here, use the volume toggle up and down to move throughout the list. So here we have wipe data, factory reset. So there's also a warning down there. It says if your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with the phone to be able to use it again. So if you're going to be selling the phone, then you're going to have to do the soft reset or delete the account if you want to fully get those accounts off. So I'm going to show you right now. Of course, I do have a Google and Samsung account registered with the phone, and I'm going to be doing a full reset without the account. So I'm just going to scroll back up. So first we're going to cancel that. We're going to reboot the system now. And it's going to take me into the menu on the phone. So the first thing you need to do, if you're not doing the hard reset and you have any Google associated accounts in the phone, you're going to have to remove those accounts. And I'll show you how to do that with the settings. So here we go. We've started up the phone. Just going to go ahead and enter the password. Okay, here we go. So now we're going to go to settings. So find your settings, go to the settings. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for Google services. Going to click on that. And there's the account there. That's my email. I'm going to click that. And we're going to click manage accounts on this device. So here we see we have two accounts. We have Google and Samsung. So we're going to click on the Google. And we want to remove the account. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And at the bottom, it's giving us a warning saying everything's going to be deleted. Yes. Yes, we are sure. Okay, so we got to do fingerprint to verify it's us. Okay, we use a password here or fingerprint. Okay, and that account is gone. Next, I'm going to get rid of the Samsung account. So same thing, click on that. Remove account. Okay. Sign out. Once you removed all the associated accounts, we're going to go back into settings. And then we're going to scroll right down. About phone. So I'm going to click that. I'm just covering up all my phone information. Scroll down and you're going to see reset. So I'm going to click that. Now it's going to say reset all settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings, factory data reset. That's the one that we want. We're going to click factory data reset. And it's just warning you that everything is going to be erased. Click reset. Type in the password. Click next. Delete all. Okay, verify that's me. It's going to ask, it's going to send an email to my email address to verify that it's me, and then it'll reset. And there we go. The phone is factory resetted, and you're good to go to reuse it or sell it. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below. We'll see you next time on the next video. jefflepard.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.